Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Sally Langido, 26 years old from San Mariano, Isabela. I'm a high school graduate. I'm happy married and blessed with my daughter, Hailey Jade Langido. She is 6 years old and now one of the kindergarten. I have been 2 years experience working as a household worker in Manila, Philippines when I was a single year 2015 to 2017. I serve one couple and two kids, ages 4-year-old baby and 1-year-old baby girl. My duties there are taking care of the kids, cooking Filipino food, cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes, feed and bath them. And also, I have 1 year experience working as a domestic helper in Qatar. I serve one couple and 3 kids, ages 10 and 9 years old boy, and the youngest 4 years old boy. My duties there are taking care of them, ironing, cleaning, washing clothes, feed and bath them, and also sending them in school every class day. To my future employer, I hope give me a chance to work and to serve your family with love and care. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. I'm a hardworking, honest, trustworthy. Thank you and God bless.